नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सेट या प्रकरणाच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स हा भाग पाहिलेला आहे. ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स. सो देयर आर इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अ सेट्स अँड युनियन ऑफ अ सेट्स, हे दोन पॉईंट आपण पाहिले. त्याच्यानंतरचा पुढचा जो भाग आहे तो आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहतोय. आपला भाग आहे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन अ सेट. So we share the number of elements in a set. संचातील घटकांची संख्या आज आपण पाहतोय. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन अ सेट, संचातील घटकांची संख्या. So for that we take one example. Let A is equal to in curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many numbers of elements there are? So look here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 elements. म्हणजे संच ए मध्ये एकूण 7 घटक आहेत. संच ए मध्ये एकूण 7 घटक आहेत. सो हाऊ टू राईट दिस? लुक हिअर, हाऊ टू राईट दिस? n ऑफ ए म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट ए. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट ए, बट यू राईट इन शॉर्ट n ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू हाऊ मच? 7. As like same A, in set B there are 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 are elements, but how many they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are only 5 elements. But you write here as like n of B is equal to 5. So as like you write here number of elements in set. म्हणजे संचातील घटकांची संख्या दाखवायची. कशी दाखवायची आहे? n कंसामध्ये त्या सेटचं नाव आणि संख्या किती आहे. So these are the points we share. Now what we share next point here, depending on this, number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Number of elements in union and intersection of sets we share. By taking above example, same n of A and n of B. So let you know here sir, n of A, I write here some n of A is equal to 7 and n of B is equal to 5. Summation of this n of A plus n of B is equal to 7 plus 5. That is also 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So that is the number 1. So n of A is 7, n of B is 5, and sum of this it is 12. Now we take here some union. Union, what is your union? A union B is equal to. So write your union first. 1 2 3 4. 1 1 2 3 4. Then 5 6 7 8 9 8 9. So look here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here's a 4 6 7. It is repeated. I write here 8 9 only. So that is the union of set B. Now how many elements of this? So I write here say n of A union B is equal to how many elements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So write here some 9. So these are the number of elements in A union B. Now we want here A intersection B. So that is how we write here equation 2. Now we want here A intersection B. What is here A intersection B? So what is there A intersection B? So which are the common terms here? So look here some. It is common here 4 4 6 7 7. So I write here 4 6 7. 4 6 7. So that is the intersection of set A and B. Now how many is this number? Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to, you write here how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. So that is the. Now think here, n of A is equal to 7, n of B is equal to 5. Adding these two sets, you get your answer 12. But when you write union of this both, you get your answer 9. म्हणजे संच ए चा विचार केला तर 7 घटक आहेत, संच बी चा विचार केला तर 5 घटक आहेत आणि दोघांचा मिळून विचार केला तर 12 घटक आहेत. पण ज्यावेळी इफ यू राईट ए युनियन बी, ज्यावेळी तुम्ही ए युनियन बी लिहिता त्यावेळी ती संख्या म्हणजे इथं 12 आहे ती संख्या मिळत नाही. How many it is? 9. Why is it? Because there are in set A and set B some numbers are twice. काही numbers दोन वेळा येतात, repeat येतात, double येतात. So they are minus. The twice numbers are minus, twice elements are minus here. So you get this number here as 9. Now from all this we make one formula. N of A and N of B. In N of A and N of B, elements in A intersection B counted twice. A intersection B काढत असताना त्याच्यातील घटक दोन वेळा मोजले जातात. So what do you get here? Therefore we write here statement as likes n of A plus n of B, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, A intersection B is equal to, what are the values? N of A how much here sir? 7 plus n of B how much here sir? 5 minus n of A intersection B, it is how many? That is 3. So right here 3. I'm sorry here sir. 7 plus 5 it is a 12 and 12 minus 3 that is a 9. So you get this 9 factor. This 9 factor, what about this? N of A union B. N of A union B. Now from, look here sir. We get here N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is equal to 7 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 9. And this 9, that means N of A union B is equal to 9. So from 1, 2, 3. From 1, 2 and 3. What do you get here sir? N of A union B is equal to, A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So that is formula you get here sir. Look here sir. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is equal to how many? N of A union B. So that is one law you get here. Now this formula. So you get here one formula. Now this formula we verify by Venn diagram. So I draw here a Venn diagram first. So look here sir, again I draw here a Venn diagram. There are some common terms, so I make here a common. Name this, that is a set A and this is a set B. So in set A and set B there are common terms which are this 4, 6, 7. So right here 4, 6, 7. So these are the common terms. And which are remaining terms here in set A. So there are in set A 4, 6, 7 are common terms. So write remaining 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5. So these are the another terms. Now in set B there are 4, 6, 7. It is also common, and remaining what here is 8, 9. So right here is 8, 9. We verify this formula by using Venn diagrams. So again, we write here some n of A. Look here some. N of A is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here is 7. N of B is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here is 5. Then N of A intersection B is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3. So right here is 3. And N of A union B is equal to N of A union B is equal to how many these terms? Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right here some 9. So all number in set we write here. Now write the formula as like therefore what is your sum? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is equal to therefore N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So as like we prove this formula by this Venn diagram. म्हणजे युनियन घेतला ह्या सर्वांचा तर 9 येतो. You get here sir, and this 9, look here sir, I repeat this again here sir. As like put of the values, N of A union B, that is a 9, N of A, that is a 7, plus that is a 5, and this is minus here sir, 3. So 9 is equal to 12 minus 3. 9 is equal to 9. So as like we verify this formula by Venn diagram. So as here, as like we share some number of elements in set and number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Now depending all these, we see here some word problems based on sets. But before this, you write all this. Now we share some last method in this topic, word problem based on set. संचावर आधारित शाब्दिक उदाहरणे आपण पाहतोय. एक उदाहरणापर्यंत पाहूया. So what is this example? In a class of 70 students, 70 विद्यार्थ्यांच्या वर्गात. In a class of 70 students, एका वर्गामध्ये 70 विद्यार्थी आहेत. 45 students like to play cricket. 45 students, 45 विद्यार्थ्यांना likes to play cricket, म्हणजे क्रिकेट खेळण्यासाठी आवडतं. 45 विद्यार्थ्यांना क्रिकेट हा खेळ आवडतो खेळण्यास. 52 students like to play खो-खो, आणि 52 विद्यार्थ्यांना खो-खो खेळण्यास आवडते. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. All the students like to play, सर्वच विद्यार्थ्यांना दोन्ही खेळापैकी एक खेळ खेळण्यास आवडतो. ऍटलिस्ट वन गेम्स, कमीत कमी एक खेळ तरी ते खेळतात. म्हणजे काही विद्यार्थी दोन्ही पण खेळतात आणि काही विद्यार्थी कमीत कमी एक तरी खेळतात. म्हणजे प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी कुठला ना कुठला खेळ खेळतो. हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स लाईक टू प्ले क्रिकेट और खो खो? हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स, तर किती विद्यार्थ्यांना क्रिकेट किंवा खो खो खेळण्यास आवडतं. जे क्रिकेट किंवा खो खो किती विद्यार्थ्यांना खेळण्यास आवडतं ते आपल्याला काढायचं. सो देयर आर टू मेथड्स. वन इज रेग्युलर बाय theoretical methods. One is theoretical methods and second is you solve this example by Venn diagram. So first we share the theoretical methods. Method 1. So first we write here the given information. In a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket. 45 विद्यार्थ्यांना क्रिकेट हा खेळ आवडतो. So I write in the form of set. Let A be the set of student who likes to play cricket. Likes to play cricket. And B be the set of student who likes to play Kho-Kho. So these are notation, set A and set B. Now what is asked here? How many students like to play cricket or Kho-Kho? Now the number of students who likes to play cricket or Kho-Kho. याचा अर्थ काय म्हणजे प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला कुठला ना कुठला तरी खेळ आवडतोच. म्हणजे कमीत कमी एक खेळ ते खेळतात, क्रिकेट और Kho-Kho. So how you write this? So that is a union of set A and B. Union of set A and B. So it is write as is A union B. So look here. The number of students who likes to play cricket or Kho-Kho is n of A union B. Therefore, n of A union B is equal to how much? There are how many students? 70 students, and every students like to play one of game. So n of A union B is equal to 70. Now number of students and number of students who likes to play both cricket and Kho-Kho is म्हणजे काय? The number of students who likes to play both cricket and Kho-Kho म्हणजे दोन्हीही खेळ खेळणारे विद्यार्थी, म्हणजे कॉमन विद्यार्थी आहेत, कॉमन गेम खेळणारे, Kho-Kho पण खेळतात, क्रिकेट पण खेळतात, असे विद्यार्थी किती आहेत? So it is denoted n of A intersection B. So first you find this. So you first write here A be the set of students who likes to play cricket. How many students is to play cricket? That is the 45 students like to play cricket. So n of A is equal to 45. Then be the set of students who likes to play Kho-Kho. Then how many students? 52 students like to play Kho-Kho. So right here say n of B is equal to 52. So these are the given part here. Now we know formula here. We know what we know here. So look here. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So by using this formula we calculate here which value? N of A intersection B. So put up the values. N of A union B, how much it is? 70 is equal to n of A, how many it is? 45 plus n of B, that is 52 minus n of A intersection B. So calculate this. 70 is equal to summation of this both. How many it is? So 5, 2, 7, 4, 5, 9, 97 and minus n of A intersection B. So I take this factor on this side, that is it minus become here plus n of A intersection B is equal to, that is 97 and this 70 become here minus 70. So how many subtraction of this? So that is the 97 minus 70, you get here 27. So that is the n of A intersection B. So you get here this value here. So what is 27? So it is the number of students who likes to play both cricket and kho-kho. So write in statements. Therefore, the number of students who likes to play both games is equal to how many? That is a 27. So that is one part of this. Now we find out here the number of students who likes to play only cricket. Now the number of students who likes to play only cricket. Look at the number of students who likes to play only cricket. आता दोन्ही खेळ खेळणारे विद्यार्थी किती आहेत? म्हणजे 27 मध्ये क्रिकेट खेळणारे विद्यार्थी आहेत, खो खो खेळणारे विद्यार्थी आहेत. आपल्याला फक्त क्रिकेट खेळणारे विद्यार्थी काढायचे. So look here, so there are total 45 students like to play cricket. And in this 45 there are some plays kho-kho. So how many these? 27. म्हणजे क्रिकेट खेळणारे विद्यार्थी किती आहेत? 45 आहेत. पण त्याच्यामध्ये 27 विद्यार्थी काय? त्याच्यामध्ये 27 विद्यार्थी खो खो सुद्धा खेळतात. मग आपल्याला फक्त क्रिकेट खेळणारे काढायचे. तर कसं काढणार? So that is total years of 45 students minus 27. Subtraction of this, you get here some 18. 45 minus 27, that is 18. So number of students who likes to play only cricket. Number of students who likes to play only cricket, that is 45 minus 27 is equal to 18. Therefore, as like we solve this example by first methods. Now this example we solve your second methods by Venn diagrams. So I try second methods. Now we share the second method. Method 2. By Venn diagram. So first we draw your Venn diagram. So for this Venn diagram we take here two circles there are some common factors. So these are intersecting circles in 2 points. So that is one, and this is also second. Name this here. So this is a set A and this is a set B. Now in this set A and B, there are some students like to play Kho and cricket. Kho and cricket. So these students are here X. These students are here X who play cricket and Kho. Who play cricket and Kho. So I write here N of A intersection B is equal to X. Now how many students here? So there are total students who play cricket is 45, but there are some who play Kho, so minus X here. काही विद्यार्थी इकडे खो सुद्धा खेळतात म्हणून X त्यातले काय केले मायनस केले. Now in B, that is the students who play Kho, that is a 52, but some of them play cricket also, so that is a X. The set A आणि set B, सेट ह्या क्रिकेट खेळणाऱ्या मुलांचा संच आहे, सेट बी हा खो खेळणाऱ्या मुलांचा संच आहे. सम स्टुडंट्स प्ले टू लाईक बोथ गेम्स, काही विद्यार्थ्यांना दोन्ही खेळ आवडतात, ते किती आहेत आपल्याला माहित नाही. सो राईट हिअर्स एक्स. आता इथं एक्स विद्यार्थी क्रिकेट पण खेळतात, खो पण खेळतात, म्हणून फक्त क्रिकेट खेळणारे विद्यार्थी इट इज 45 मायनस एक्स आणि फक्त खो खेळणारे विद्यार्थी 52 मायनस एक्स. So we find out here sir n of A intersection B, that is the X. How is it? So look here sir, we know here sir n of A, how many is it sir? That is the students who play cricket, that is the 45. N of B, which is students? 52 students like to play Kho, so that is n of B is equal to 52. And all students play at least one game, so that is a n of A union B is equal to 70. So we calculate this here sir X. How is it? Look here, we know that what is yes one formula, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So put up the values. N of A union B, that is 70. N of A, that is how many? 45. Plus n of B, that is 52. And n of A intersection B, that is X. Now solve this. So 70 is equal to summation of this both, that is 97 minus X. We want here value of X. So take this minus X on that side, become X. 97 minus 70. Therefore 97 minus 70, how many it is? 27. So that is the value of X. Therefore what is X here son? N of A intersection B is equal to n of A intersection B is equal to 27. So this is our answer for getting the students who play both games. So I write in words. Therefore the students who likes to play both games is equal to how many it is? 27. Now we want here what is the students who play only cricket. Therefore the students who likes to play only cricket is equal to how many it is? Look at how many it is? 45 minus x. So it is 45 minus x is equal to. So 45 minus x, you know value of x is that is 27. Put here values. 45 minus 27 is equal to how many it is? 18. So that is our final answer. So as like we solve here, so word problems based on sets. संचावर आधारित शाब्दिक उदाहरणे सोडवण्याच्या दोन पद्धतीत, एक थिओरिटिकल मेथड आणि दुसरे आहे वेन डायग्राम्स. तर आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं? ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स. देयर आर टू ऑपरेशन्स. वन इज इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू सेट्स and union of two sets. By using these two operations, we solve here some examples and some word problems based on sets. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे? या सर्व घटकांचा वापर करून प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 सॉल्व करायचं आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 सॉल्व करायचं आहे आणि त्याचबरोबर प्रॉब्लेम सेट 1 सुद्धा सॉल्व करायचं आहे. तर आतापर्यंत जेवढे व्हिडिओ आपण बघितले त्या सर्व व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण मॅथ्स 1 मधील पहिलं जे प्रकरण आहे सेट ते आपण शिकलो आहोत. तुम्ही सर्वांनी या झालेल्या सर्व व्हिडिओंचा उपयोग करून सर्व प्रॅक्टिस सेट आणि प्रॉब्लेम सेट सोडवायचे आहेत. आपण पुन्हा भेटू पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये नवीन प्रकरण घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना बाय बाय.